Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can set the Google Flights price alerts. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have this track prices option. So I'm going to show you how you can get that. So first is you just have to visit the Google Flights, and then after that, make sure that you have logged into your Google account. Okay, and then after that, you just have to type out right here your current location and then your destination. And then you just have to type out your departure date as well as your return date. Then after that, you just have to tap on the explore option. Okay, so once you're done, you'll be able to see here the different results. So you have here the prices. So for example, you would like to go to Tokyo. So just tap on this one. And currently the prices are currently high. So we want to track the prices and then be notified when the prices are low. Okay. So for example, we want this one. So just tap on that specific flight. And then here you just have to choose your departing flights. Okay, so for example, this one, and then your returning flights. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll be able to see this track prices. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. So here you can monitor the lowest price for this itinerary and receive the price alerts and travel tips by your email. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.